Rajiv. Today I'm gonna unbox and review about two different products which I purchased from two different websites. This one is actually an Coido. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's Coido Tyre Inflator DC 12 volts 300 psi car air compressor, basically used for punchers or to fill up air in the tire. I have an Elantra and I need to fill up tires during emergency situations. So for that I purchased this one from Amazon India. So the price is about 1,200 rupees. I ordered about some I think 4 days ago on Monday. I got it yesterday. And this one is also an car repair and used for the punchers. The name of the product is tubeless tire repair kit. So I purchased this from eBay India. The price is about 230 rupees. So these are the two different products I purchased, guys, and now I'm gonna unbox this or unpack this and let you show guys how good the product is. Well, I always trust Amazon, so I guess the product should be good. So let me first unbox the Amazon product. So there you go, guys. That's not a packing here. So this is the product, guys. You can see Coido or Coido Tyre Inflator. It's a 300 psi air compressor. This is the product actually right in. So I'm going to unbox this right now. I think no sellotapes and all, so I think it's already open. They probably need to have been checked with this. So yes, guys. So let's unbox it. So there you go, guys. That's the product right there. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think there's nothing else. Hold on. Yes, so this is the product. I think, yes. So this is the product, guys. This is an headlamp. This is the torch, actually. You can see that. You can see that here. This is the torch, a powerful torch actually. And this is the air gauge, the meter gauge, the air gauge, which checks the amount of air which has been inside. And that's the light off button, on and off. You can see that. This is on and off. Okay, and this is the air compressors on and off. And the accessories for this, the cable for this is right inside. You can open this right this way, take it out, and there you go, guys. It's right inside there. Hold on. Okay, so I don't know, there are some pins here, so yeah, so that's it, guys. You can see here. Let this thing go, and let this also go. So, guys, this is the thing here. You can see this is the one which has been which comes to the tire, and this is one which you can connect it to the lighter adapter at your car, inside your car. So that's it, guys. Just plug it in and plug this thing into the tire. Turn it on and then check with the gauge. It will take about some 30 minutes to fill up the car tire, probably an Elantra car tire. So it will take that much time. 300 psi, 12 volts air compressor is this one, and torch inbuilt. So a good quality. I think this one is loose. You can see here. It's not that tight. It's already loose, but all of the things are good, I guess. And moreover, I need to check this one right on the fuel. I'll check with this check this thing with my car, and we'll get back to you. So that's the first product, guys. So let us go down here. Okay, I don't know what these pins are exactly for, so I need to read those descriptions. I'll get back to you guys. And the second product is this one. So let me unpack this thing. eBay usually does the kind of worst packing. I guess this is the worst packing. I'm not impressed with the packaging at all. See that? Just a normal cover, I guess. And this is the invoice for this thing. Yeah. That's the invoice you can see here, guys. The product's name. And okay. So again, guys, the cheap quality. You can see that. This is a handle actually. I'll open this thing. So it seems that he has used it already. A used product, I guess. See? Lots of dust. You can see that. Lots of dust here. Idiot. See, lots of rust and dust. Not so bad. It will break off, I guess. And this one. It's another shithole. See, you can see that. Worst. Real worst. This is what is called. No, I'm not impressed with this product at all. And there's no that silicone. And that a tube actually comes up. The silicone filler. It's not there, and I expected that, but that's missing here. Okay, so that's all. This is not impressive. Again, eBay, worst. They are the worst always. They don't sell a product properly and they mess it up. This is the cheap shit. And this one is beautiful actually. This, I love it, and I'm gonna use this thing. I'm gonna take down that seller from eBay. He expects money. That's all he needs. Nothing more. So that's all with the review, guys. This is the two different products for the car actually. I'm not impressed with this thing, but I'm impressed with this thing. I'll just go and check this out right in my car and get back to you with the video. Okay guys, I'm back inside my car with the Coido Tyre Inflator to check this thing, how this thing works. So that's the product right there. And this is the adapter, the circle light right there. So let me just plug this thing in. Okay, so that's already on. So yeah, so let me turn this off now. Yeah, so I don't know which one is on and which one is off. So let me plug this thing right now. I think it just worked. So plug this thing, and there you see, turn on the lights. So there's a red light there, you can see there. There's a red light working, and I don't know what it does actually. The down flash. Okay, so that's a turn off, and that's a turn on. So that's a light working there, and the compressor comes like this way. Okay, so that's the compressor right there. I don't know, you need to plug this thing up. I mean this one, yeah, you need to plug this thing with the tire. and it works, I guess. So let's try or something. No, not right at the moment. I think I'll try this thing later and just come back to you guys. So that's all about this product, guys. Just plug this thing, turn it on, and it works. With the video, and that's all with my review with the car repair kit. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll get back with another video soon, another review soon. Do like my videos. So see you back soon, guys. Have a nice day. Aloha.